Planting a tree at school is more than just a simple gardening project. It's an investment in the future, a chance to connect with the earth, and a wonderful learning opportunity for students of all ages. It's a living, breathing classroom right outside the school doors. Students watch their trees grow, observing the subtle changes with each passing season. They learn patience, understanding that growth takes time and consistent effort. They develop a sense of responsibility, knowing that the tree's well-being depends on their care. And most importantly, they cultivate a deep respect for nature and the environment. Science comes alive in a tangible and engaging way. As students observe the delicate blossoms in spring, the development of fruit, and the diverse wildlife these trees attract, they witness the interconnectedness of life. Math and nutrition lessons become more meaningful. They are found in measuring growth, tracking the tree's progress over time. And in enjoying the healthy harvests, they learn about the importance of sustainable food sources. Native trees like Eucalyptus meliodora and Acacia melanoxylon not only provide shade and beauty, but also help to restore local habitats. These trees attract native birds and beneficial insects, creating a thriving ecosystem. Planting even just one tree creates a vital home for local wildlife, offering shelter and sustenance. This in turn supports biodiversity, enriching the environment for everyone. Ultimately, planting trees is an act of optimism, a belief in a brighter, greener future. It's an investment in shade, food, and a lasting legacy for future generations to enjoy and cherish. The connection students build with nature through this simple act will last a lifetime, shaping their values and perspectives, inspiring a sense of stewardship and care for our planet that will extend far beyond the schoolyard. Choosing the right spot for your fruit tree is one of the most important decisions you'll make. It's an investment in the future health and productivity of your tree. The location you select is crucial for your tree's long-term success. A well-chosen spot will provide the ideal conditions for growth, ensuring a bountiful harvest for years to come. Fruit trees are sun-loving plants and need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. This sunlight fuels photosynthesis, the process by which trees create energy. No exceptions. Insufficient sunlight can lead to weak growth, reduced fruit production, and increased susceptibility to diseases. Shelter from strong winds is another key consideration. Strong winds can damage delicate blossoms, preventing pollination and fruit set. It also helps protect developing fruit from being blown off the branches. Native trees like yellow box and blackwood are known for their resilience and ability to withstand harsh conditions. But even these hardy natives still need adequate space to grow and access to ample sunlight to flourish. Before planting, it's essential to check your soil's drainage. To assess drainage, dig a hole approximately 30 centimeters wide and deep, then fill it completely with water. Observe how quickly the water drains away. This will give you an indication of your soil's drainage capacity. If the water drains slowly, indicating poor drainage, you'll need to improve the soil structure. You can improve drainage by adding organic matter or plant on a raised mound to elevate the root ball. When planting multiple fruit trees, space them 2 to 3 meters apart to allow for adequate growth and air circulation. Native trees generally require even more room to spread their roots and branches, so plan accordingly. Proper spacing and ample sunlight are essential for ensuring healthy, productive trees that will thrive for years. Taking the time to carefully plan your planting location now will result in thriving, bountiful trees that will reward you with delicious fruit for many years to come. Digging the hole correctly is crucial for the tree's future. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball, giving the roots plenty of space to expand and establish themselves. This wider hole encourages outward root growth, which is essential for stability and nutrient absorption. But it's equally important not to dig too deep. The depth is key. Keep the root flare, that crucial area where the trunk transitions into the roots, level with the soil surface. Never bury it. Burying the root flare can lead to rot and other problems that can weaken or even kill the tree. Before planting, gently tease out any circling roots. Now, carefully position the tree in the center of the prepared hole and backfill with the original soil you removed. Avoid using amended or overly rich soil, as this can discourage the roots from venturing out into the native soil. Firm the soil gently around the base of the tree to eliminate air pockets, and create a shallow basin around the tree to direct water straight to the roots. Water deeply immediately after planting. Continue to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, especially during the critical first year as the tree establishes its root system. Regular watering is key to its survival. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree, being careful not to let it touch the trunk directly. This mulch helps to conserve valuable moisture in the soil, regulates soil temperature, and effectively suppresses weed growth around the base of the tree. Feed fruit trees in the spring to encourage healthy growth and fruit production. Remember that native trees generally need less fertilizer than non-native species. Prune fruit trees annually to maintain an open shape which allows for better air circulation and sunlight penetration, leading to healthier fruit production. Native trees, on the other hand, typically require minimal pruning as their natural growth habits are well suited to the local environment. Regularly watch for any signs of pests or diseases. Often a strong spray of water from a hose is enough to dislodge pests and keep your trees healthy. Providing consistent care, especially in the first year after planting, sets your trees up for long-term health, beauty, and productivity for years to come. As trees mature, shift from intensive care to regular observation. Monitor water needs, especially during heat waves or drought. Get to know your trees. Notice changes in leaves, buds, and growth. Early detection of problems keeps trees healthy. Prune fruit trees each winter to maintain structure and remove damaged wood. Native trees need little pruning. Let their natural form shine. Celebrate the first harvest and share the joy with your school community. By caring for these trees, you're growing a healthier environment and nurturing future stewards of nature.